So to replace this dome light assembly, the whole thing, not just the bulb or the cover, first I'm going to remove this trim piece with the lens. Just pull down on it, it should pop right out. Then you're left with this piece, which is actually what we're replacing, and it has 3 tabs. I'll show you it on this new piece. It has one at the back here and one on each side, and they kind of sit above the headliner. So I'm going to pull the headliner down a little bit. Like I said, my goal here is to not remove the headliner. There we go. Okay. There it is. I'm going to use a pocket screwdriver to pry the locking tab out for the electrical connector. There we go. There's your old assembly. Now take your new assembly. Oh, there we go. Make sure it clicks. And then I'm basically going to reverse the removal. There we go. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. Now slide it back. It's got a magnet on the top. That's how it's going to secure itself to the roof. I'm going to pop this lens off. It has a couple tabs here. I'm just going to push them in from the back side. Remove this. Before the cover goes on, I'm going to go ahead and pull this switch out on our application. This switch was not being used. If for your application it was being used, then go ahead and, well, keep it in there. And there we go. Put that lens back in and take this, slide it up into position. I guess I do have to keep this lens out. I'm going to help clip this in with a pocket screwdriver. There we go. And if you had to take your lens out, go ahead and put it back in. And there you have it.